guys, it's me Maurice, and today I will be teaching you how to skip a rope. So I've learned how to skip a rope just a month ago, and I thought I would share this knowledge to you. So it's very easy, economical, and doesn't really take that much space. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this kind of video, just give your girl some thumbs up. Probably comment down below what other workouts you want me to do. And see ya, bye!
Alright guys, let's start. First on the list is rope length. What you do is you step one foot on your rope like this and then pull it upward. It should be at the level of your nipple. And when you're holding your rope when you skip, it's supposed to be on your waist level. Not too high and not too low. The second on our list is proper posture. The only part of your body that needs to move is your wrist. Your arms and shoulder just stay in place. For your lower extremities, all you need to remember is not to lock your knees. Always have it slightly bent by about 70 to 80 degrees, and make sure when you're skipping, skip low and make sure to keep your heels off the floor. The final thing that you need to remember is to look for your rhythm. This is probably the hardest part of them all, and it is not something that will happen overnight. Sometimes you will get frustrated or defeated, but I promise, coming from a person who doesn't have any sense of body coordination at all, and not the sporty type, you will get there. And maybe in the future, you can also learn some simple tricks to spice up your skipping game. Did you find this video helpful? If you do, please do like and maybe subscribe if you feel like it. Thank you guys, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!